What if this simple drink could help lower blood pressure, boost exercise performance, improve blood flow, and support heart health? But before you rush to drink beetroot juice every day, there are some surprising side effects you should know, and for some people, this popular health drink may not be the best choice. Stay with me because I'll explain the benefits, the side effects, and who should avoid beetroot juice. Beetroot juice has become one of the most popular natural health drinks, and for good reason. One of its biggest benefits is that it may help support healthy blood pressure. Beetroot contains natural compounds called nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, which helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body. Another benefit is improved exercise performance. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts drink beetroot juice before workouts because it may help muscles use oxygen more efficiently, potentially improving endurance and reducing fatigue. Beetroot juice may also support heart health. Better blood flow means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood around the body. It is also rich in antioxidants such as betalains, which help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants may help support overall health and reduce inflammation. Beetroot juice contains important nutrients including folate, potassium, vitamin C, and manganese. These nutrients help support normal body functions, healthy nerves, and immune health. Now let's talk about the side effects. One harmless side effect is that your urine or stool may turn pink or reddish after drinking beetroot juice. This can look alarming, but it is usually not dangerous. Some people may experience stomach discomfort, bloating, or digestive upset, especially if they drink large amounts at once. Because beetroot juice can lower blood pressure, drinking too much may sometimes cause dizziness or lightheadedness in people who already have low blood pressure. So, who should be careful or avoid beetroot juice? People with naturally low blood pressure should speak with a healthcare professional before drinking it regularly because it may lower blood pressure even further. Individuals prone to kidney stones may also need caution. Beetroot contains oxalates, which can contribute to certain types of kidney stones in susceptible people. And if you have a medical condition or take medications that affect blood pressure, it's a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before making beetroot juice a daily habit. Beetroot juice can be a nutritious drink with benefits for blood flow, heart health, and exercise performance, but it's important to know the possible side effects and whether it's right for you. Have you ever tried beetroot juice? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more simple health and nutrition tips.